Well, you know when there's black goop, things are done properly. That is a guaranteed. Okay, so the fun part's gonna be getting that guy, because I can't have that 90 up there. These fitting savers are worth their weight in gold. Well, they don't weigh a whole hell of a lot, but definitely worth the investment. The Reed ones, absolutely don't buy the cheap Amazon ones. And it like reams out the pipe on the inside. It's really a two-handed thing. I'm gonna put this down. Okay. All cleaned out. Okay. Oh, and these IKEA sinks. Holy crap. Look at the glue all over the place too. My God. Whoever touched this before needs to get a new job. I apologize for not moving the camera around because I am in a very small bathroom. And I don't, I'm limited on space. So, will that drawer fit back? Holy crap, is that ever tight, eh? Shit, that is tight. is tight, boys. Small change of plans here. Clean this out a bit more. I have a bit of a fitting left. So there's a tiny bit of fitting left from the 90 that I cut off, but I'm reamed all the way back to the T. So what we will do, gain us a little bit more space, is run an inside pipe cutter. Tell. Look. There. Run an inside pipe cutter. Ta-da! Gained us a bit more. I'll just clean that up once I figure out where I put that. Tiny bit more. Okay. I am happy with that. So let's glue that in. The only thing when you use these fitting savers is you gotta make sure that you are glued really well. Well, it's not the only thing, but as always, 1/4 inch per foot. Just a hair. Oh no. Nope. It's good. I like it. Okay. Just a little piece of pipe. Garbage there. Go back. You go back. You go back. Right. It's alright, it's alright. some strange reason I do not have any rags in my bag. So now I'm using toilet paper. That is what I have. Tighten her down. This is a warm water bidet line that I guess clients installed themselves. Okay, moment of truth. There we go. A little more streamlined. And that is a proper P-trap.